What's up, guys? Yo-Yo Guy 0407 here, and I got a package in the mail. Yeah, it's pretty big in it. So let's open it up. Sorry, I gotta open it up. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. The packing list. My packing list. Haha, my trading cards, and my yo-yo case. My yo-yo case from Yo-Yo Expert. Yeah, $20. Not bad. I thought it was actually gonna be a little bit bigger, but it's pretty small. You guys know. And I actually got 3 packs of 3 Yo-Yo Expert sticker. What else? The trading card stuff. What else? I think I got something. And Northstar. I've been waiting for that for a while. Go to the factory Northstar. Got it in white and red. And I don't know. I'll just show you the cards real quick and then we'll open it up. Okay, I got Alex Jackson, I think so. I don't know his name. And Andrew Bole or something like that. I bet. For the one that made his own dark magic. I have one of them. Oh wow. The Yo-Yo Factory team. Something. Yo-Yo Factory and Connolly. And Brian Smith from Harvey Lodge. That's pretty cool. Okay, one more pick. Yeah. Another the same one I got right now. Stephen Brown from Yo-Yo Factory. And John Norum from Yo-Yo Jam. So, okay, so let's get this all out of the way from here, and then let's open up this. Okay, so here we go. Little Yo-Yo Factory and thing, and, green string manual. If you need it, I don't. So I'm just gonna pour it out for a while. Came out really smoothly. Wow. Wow. Wrap my finger all over. Pretty good. There's it feels metal, so let me show you. That's cool to show you the inside. The response system and stuff. And so that's that. And let me show you one more last thing. Let me show you my yo-yo case inside of it. So open it up. Yeah. Has like all the holes and stuff there. The 2 counterweights holes, and I guess it has something up in the front, I think. Hold on, let me check. I guess you can, like a little catch thing right here, put all your stuff in. like that. So there you go, guys. There's my unboxing video from my Yo-Yo Factory Northstar and my case. So thank you guys, and please rate and subscribe, and thank you very much. Later.